Hello, and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today we'll be solving question 389, find the difference. I'll be going through my thought process as I come up with a solution. Then stick around for the end of the video where I compare my solution to the solution of others. With that, let's begin the question. Find the difference. So this is an easy level question. You're given two strings s and t. The string t is generated by randomly shuffling string s and then adding one more character at a random position. Return the letter that was added in t. Okay, so essentially we have to look for the difference of s and t, the difference being the extra character that has been added to letter t. The problem there is strings s and t are shuffled, so that does not mean that so it does not mean that the particular character was added to a specific place in S, nor does it mean that there's any pattern between S and T. We have to consider that S just has some number of characters of each of the types of characters that appear there. Same goes for T. And so as an example here, we have S equaling A, B, C, D, and T equaling A, B, C, D, E. So this is an example where actually it is just being added to the right, but shuffling or not shuffling, if this was shuffled, we could have seen something like B or D, C, B, A, E, in which case the order would not be preserved and we wouldn't have a very easy way of finding it, right? But what we could do, and what we really only have to do, is know when and know how many of each character appears in T and S. Cool. And with that, I think the solution is pretty obvious. We just have to have this intermediate data structure that's going to give us that. And for that, we'll just use a default dictionary that's going to hold a character followed by the number of times it appears in S. And then once we populate that character or that data structure, which is just a dictionary with S, we'll go and try to do the same thing with T. When we hit a negative number, that means that when we hit a negative count, that means that we've encountered a character that appears in T more than it appears in S, which will give us the solution. Cool. So let's have this default dictionary with an integer, and then for C in S, I'm going to say DC plus equals 1. So here's what the dictionary looks like. Just a key value map of character and number of occurrences. Now, when we go and subtract from D all the occurrences of characters in T, we are bound to get one that will have a count of -1. At that point, we'll return that character. So for C in T, we'll say D C minus equals 1. If DC equals -1, return C. And that's it. Cool. Okay, let's see if there are quicker solutions. There probably are some. Let's go and check this out. May 84 could be good. So, okay, I guess here they're using something called a counter. I tend to avoid using any built-in methods. And here just seems like what we're doing, but a bit more complex. Cool. You know what? I don't advise any of these. Let's stick with this solution. This solution is very straightforward. You kind of isolate exactly what you need to know about each of the strings to figure out what character is the extra character. So yeah, yeah, I would say go with this. And let's end it at that. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.